A very good morning to all the students. We have been learning about different cities of India like Mumbai, also Kolkata. Today we'll be learning about one more new city. Okay, this city is in the South India, and if you see the pictures, you can guess which city we are going to learn about. You can see the soft idlis and yummy sambar. You can see a railway station of the city of Chennai. Yes, that's right. Today we are going to learn about Chennai. आज हम एक न्यू सिटी के बारे में लर्न करने वाले हैं. सिटी का नाम है चेन्नई. And it is in which part of India? It is in the south of India. And it is capital of the state of Tamil Nadu. So are you ready? Let's learn about the city of Chennai. Now let's locate where Chennai is located in the map of India. We go down south, and in the southern part of India, on the eastern coast, we can see the state of Tamil Nadu. And here is the city of Chennai. The old name of Chennai was Madras. So whenever you learn about a city, you should locate it on the map or on the globe. So we will be covering many topics about the city of Chennai. We'll find out its location and climate, government offices, then the different types of services available. Also, we will learn about the people and their culture, their food habits. Then we will see about the monuments and places here, and also different type of entertainment places in the city of Chennai. So here is a map of India, and we already saw that the state of Tamil Nadu is in the southern part on the eastern coast. Here marked in the red color is the state of Tamil Nadu, and on the left side we can see a map of the Tamil Nadu state. Okay, so we can see the different districts inside the state of Tamil Nadu. And where is Chennai? Here up in the north, we can see the capital city of Tamil Nadu. That is Chennai. Okay. So we saw where the state of Tamil Nadu is located and where the city of Chennai is located inside the state of Tamil Nadu. Now open your EVS textbooks to chapter number 4, page number 192, and we will read together. So you all should read along with me and follow. Okay. Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. Chennai is capital of which state? Tamil Nadu. Earlier it was known as Madras. So what was the old name? Old name क्या था चेन्नई का? It was Madras. Also, it is the fourth largest city in India. It is a metropolitan city. Metropolitan का meaning क्या है? Metropolitan का मतलब है that it is a very important city or a very large city. Okay. So in this region of Tamil Nadu, Chennai is the very large, important and busy city. And it is an important center also. Okay. What else? It is an important port. What is a port? We have already seen other port cities like Mumbai and Kolkata because they are on the sea coast, right? A port is a place where ships from different countries carrying goods or people will come and anchor there, correct? So Chennai can be divided into two ports. The old city known as Georgetown is towards the west of the port, and the other port is towards south of Georgetown. So we read that Georgetown is towards the west of the port, and there is also another port which is towards the south of Georgetown. So now let's find these places in the map. We'll locate the ports in Chennai as well as Georgetown. Okay. So यहाँ पे है map of the Chennai city and we can locate these places which we read about. Can you search where is Georgetown? Yes, here is Georgetown. So we read that Georgetown is towards the west of the port. So where is the port? Here on the sea coast. Can you see all these ports marked? There is the Chennai port, right? And then there is also a port to the south of Georgetown. So where is south of Georgetown? Here. Here is the port of Chennai, right? So we saw that there are ports on all over in the sea coast. There is the port of Chennai and the Chennai ports, as well as we located where is Georgetown. So Georgetown has a port toward its south as well as on the eastern coast. Now let's have a quick revision of all the points that we learned. So we are learning about the city of Chennai. First, we learned that it is capital of Tamil Nadu. The old name of Chennai was Madras. It is the fourth largest city in India. Also, it is a coastal city, correct? And it is an important port. It's also a metropolitan city. Next topic we are going to do is the location and the climate of Chennai. So all of you read along with me. Chennai is located on the Coromandel coast facing the Bay of Bengal. The Portuguese traders came here in the 16th century, followed by the Dutch and the British. The climate of Chennai is warm and very humid during summers, and it receives heavy rainfall in winters. So we have been reading about Chennai location. We'll underline the important terms that we learned. First, we learned about the Coromandel coast, that is the eastern coast, and also it's facing the Bay of Bengal. Here in this map in your textbooks, you can locate the Bay of Bengal and then the Coromandel coast. The Portuguese traders came here in the 16th century. Who are the first people to come? It was the Portuguese traders, and then the Dutch, and followed by the British. Then we read about the climate. How is the climate here? It's warm and very humid. As it is located on the coast, the climate is very humid, and also it receives rainfall in winters. Here is a map showing how the state of Tamil Nadu has many ports, almost 4 major ports, okay, and it connects to many different trade centers across the world. So you can see the map having the different ship routes and connecting to different parts of the world for trade and commerce. Apart from that, also it is having 4 international airports with direct connectivity to many different countries in the world. This is just for your general information. Okay. Okay, now we can see this map, and looking at this map we can understand about the climate of Chennai. On this side we see the different months of the year. This is January, February, March, April, May up till December, and on this side the temperatures are marked. Now let's locate where is the maximum temperatures. This is the place of this is where the maximum temperatures are shown, around 38 to 40 degrees Celsius, and it is corresponding to the month of May, right? So May is the time when the temperatures are at the peak, and overall the temperatures don't vary so much, right? The temperatures have less variation. So overall the climate is hot, and also it is on the sea coast. We saw that Chennai is located on the sea coast, so atmosphere is always having a lot of moisture content, and so Chennai has a humid climate. What about the rain? It rains in the months of September to December in the monsoon season. So we can conclude that Chennai climate is hot and humid, and also it experiences rainfall in the months of September to December. Next we read about the government offices. We know that it is a capital city, so the secretariat buildings are all located in the city of Chennai. All major offices of Tamil Nadu government are located in Chennai. The governor, chief minister, other ministers and all government officials live in Chennai. Here is a government building in Chennai. So all the important government offices for Tamil Nadu government are located in this city of Chennai. Now is question answers time. Chennai is the capital of A, B, C or D. Who will tell me the answer? Tamil Nadu. Good. Next question. The old name of Chennai is Bombay, Calcutta, Bangalore or Madras? Madras. Well done. You got it right. So with that we learned the location, climate and also about the government offices of Chennai.